Hi, my name is Zachary, and I'm gonna talk like this because maybe then I can fucking hear my voice. Because, I'm a fucking idiot. But I'll talk like this to see if you can fucking hear me. Because my last video is shit, and I'm gonna see if this will happen. Maybe I have to talk very fucking loudly. Cause my phone microphone is a fucking piece of shit. I sound like I'm in a fucking wind tunnel. So, if at anything, I share you this video. If you can barely hear me, if you can make out what I'm saying, then good for you. At least you have a laugh. Bye.